Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of the SGP Neo Hybird case for the iPhone 5. This case comes in some really nice packaging. You get two screen shields, one for the front of your device and one for the back. And overall, SGP usually makes really good products, so I'm going to show you a little bit about this case. And then I'm going to go over the case because I did have some problems with it. First of all, this is a dual layer case. First of all, you have a silicone layer on the inside, and then you have this plastic ring that goes around it. Going along the left side, you have the volume buttons up and down. As you can tell, these provide pretty good feedback. Now, the thing about this case is it's pretty thick on the edges, so you can kind of see the volume switch or the silent switch is pretty far in there, so you do have to kind of dig in there to get it, but it's not that bad. Power button on the top. It also provides pretty good feedback, but really what I want to talk about for this case is it's a pretty expensive case, and it's from SGP, so whenever you get this case, you're expecting pretty good quality, which I think overall it is. I just think it's a bad design, and I'm going to show you why. On the bottom here, you can see how this cracked right here, for me anyway, and unfortunately, now it's pretty much unusable because it just falls off, and then the rest of the case falls off because without this hard layer on the outside, the silicone part on the inside here really doesn't stay on at all, and it just comes off. Now, I mean, honestly, you still get two screen protectors for this, and honestly, I have these screen protectors on right now. These are probably some of the best screen protectors you can get for your iPhone 5 or any other device for that matter. However, this case I would pass on because of this design on the bottom. If you look at it, if this inner layer was connected to the outer layer here, you probably wouldn't have a problem because you'd have a little bit thicker material right here. But since this outer layer is so thin, it's really less than 1 millimeter thin. And honestly, this broke in my pocket. So I don't really think it's going to last very long for you either. Now, I mean, you can get a new outside piece for this, and you can just put a new one over it, but honestly, for 30 bucks, there's so many more cases you can get. I've already did a review of the Poetic Atmosphere case, which is, in my opinion, probably one of the best cases you can get for your iPhone 5. However, I just feel like right here, they didn't need to make that such a big opening, for one, because the lightning connector is so small, and even though some third-party adapters might need a little bit bigger connection there, I think most people are going to be using the one that came with their iPhone 5 anyway. So it's kind of I don't want to say a rant on the SGP Neo Hybrid, but for a case that's above $30 and it's just a bumper case, you'd expect a little bit better build quality, and unfortunately I would pass on this case. I hope this review helped you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.